Welcome to a short tutorial on how to read medical information in iQ-WEB RIS. As radiologist, I want to read study notes, medical alerts, and allergy information to base my report on these. I also want to access any referral letters or consent forms scanned by the front desk. For doing this task, I will go to Workflow tab. Choose the filter Pending Tasks. Open a pending task from a patient by double-clicking. Open Medical History tab in left side menu of Order Editor. The alerts and allergies are displayed correctly. Open Documents tab. Previously scanned documents are listed in the table. Press the I icon for one document. A preview of the document is displayed at the right-hand side. Open Notes tab. Previously entered notes are listed in the table. Press the I icon for one note. The View Note window displays all respective information. Thank you for your attention.